What's the word, y'all boys? I'm back at it again with another POV drive, you know what I'm saying? I got y'all with a rainy POV drive. Let me put this motherfucker in sport. Yes, sir. What is this? What is that in the street? Oh, it's a big ass puddle right there. But yeah, it's crazy, man. We in that thing, you feel me? In the rain though. I got traction on right now. I'm gonna eventually gonna turn traction off though. Everybody who wanna know how good Hemis and shit do in the rain, well, there you go. Oh. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna turn traction on. Oh shit. I just ran over a big ass fucking puddle. Shit, I ain't even see that bit. Yeah, bro, it's raining hard as hell. That's why I was just like, bro, I haven't been recording. Let me just hop in my shit and just make a video, bro. No cap. It don't take shit to record, bro. It's just when you want to take out the time out your day for real. Cause I low key want to vacuum my shit. It ain't no point of an actual wash, but I do want to vacuum my shit though. No traction. No traction on in the rain. Crazy. And I don't even got the best tires in the back, to be honest with you, bruh. Oh shit, let me slow down. Let me turn my traction back on, cause safety first. If I'm not cutting up like on the back road, or if I'm not sliding or nothing, bro, it's just no point of just driving with traction off. And I'm gonna actually take sport off for right now. Just give y'all a little cruise. I wish it was a way I could zoom out, but I think this is a good angle. Yo, turn my cool seats on. But this is a 2013 300C with the 5.7 Hemi in it. Everybody know what that is, man. I got pulled over like a couple days ago, but that was just cause it was on some bullshit, bro. I got followed and it was nighttime and they just be looking for anything, bro. But this rain is coming down hard as fuck. I don't even know if I even want to vacuum my shit, bro, cause nigga, I'ma be fucking soaking wet, bro. My shit don't need to be vacuumed that bad. It's just some shit I need to throw away, but vacuuming, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's raining something crazy right now. I don't even think the camera even gonna do it no justice, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna go to the spot, slide my shit, and I'm finna end this video. Alright. Oh yeah, that started spinning. That motherfucker spinning like a motherfucker. Yeah, it's raining hard as hell. I'm pretty sure my car look good as fuck in the rain, bro. Especially like on the side and in the front. I know this bitch look good as fuck in the rain. And it's still kind of hot, which is crazy. It's the summertime, so, you know, I got the AC. It's feeling good. You know what I'm saying? No cap. Shit. Already knowing how I get with the edits, I'm probably gonna cut all the little boring segments out, you know what I'm saying, so we could just really get straight to the point and give y'all something to see, man. I know y'all don't want to see me stuck in fucking in traffic and shit. Ain't really too much to really see, you know. But when I'm head on my way to the Baywatch, then I'm gonna pick the camera back up.
Eventually,
Alright, we finally back on the road, y'all boys. We currently in the area. Well, I ain't gonna say too much, but I'm just definitely not gonna be doing any cutting up over here. You feel me? And I just got stopped by another red light, so I will be back. I had to cut the AC back on this shit because it was, like I said, it's not cold outside, but you know, we close to the location. You feel me? I'm gonna do probably an in and out, and it's gonna be that. No faking. Regular mode, nah. This mode still sounds good. Don't get behind me, cause I'm finna turn, bucko. And I'm gonna put my blinker on right now. Oh yeah, that bitch gripping like a motherfucker. Is this the street where I made that viral clip? It might be. Oh shit. This motherfucker getting loose. I'm gonna go right. Damn. Woo. Shit. I gotta be careful for these fucking puddles that's over here, dog. All these puddles, bro. Like, I can't even cut up for real. Budging at all. I don't know if it's these scat rims or I don't know what it is, but I need that diff like ASAP though. video, bro. I ain't really doing nothing but fooling around in the rain, man. Let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see. You know, I'm probably not finna do nothing but take my ass, you know, back to the crib time. And that's it for this video.